When you think of an animal that's great at imitation, what comes to mind? A parrot, right? Maybe a minna bird? They're famous for mimicking human speech. But what if I told you there's an animal out there that puts them all to shame? An animal so good at impersonation, it can transform its body, its color, and its behavior in the blink of an eye. Today, we're re-diving deep into the ocean to meet the undisputed champion of mimicry, the mimic octopus. This creature isn't just changing colors to blend in with a rock or some coral. That's camouflage, and lots of animals do that. The mimic octopus takes it to a whole new level. It doesn't just hide, it actively impersonates other sea creatures to fool both predators and prey. We're talking about a level of acting that would make Hollywood superstars jealous. First discovered in 1998 off the coast of Sulawesi, Indonesia, the mimic octopus, or the Octopus mimicus, immediately blew scientists' minds. Unlike its relatives who prefer to stay hidden in crevices, this octopus proudly struts across the sandy ocean floor in broad daylight. Why? Because it has an arsenal of disguises that makes it virtually untouchable. Imagine you're a hungry damselfish looking for a tasty octopus snack. You spot one moving along the seabed. But as you get closer, it suddenly flattens its body, tucks in its arms, and starts gliding through the water with an undulating motion. It no longer looks like an octopus. It looks exactly like a flatfish, which is a bony, less appealing meal. You'd probably swim away, confused. That's just one of its many tricks. But wait, it gets even better. If a predator that isn't afraid of flatfish comes along, the mimic octopus has other roles it can play. For example, it can bury 6 of its 8 arms in the sand, leaving 2 sticking out and waving them in opposite directions. With its black and white stripes, it creates a perfect illusion of a banded sea snake, a highly venomous creature that most predators want nothing to do with. It's a brilliant do not disturb sign. Its repertoire is astonishing. Scientists have observed it mimicking over a dozen different animals. It can bunch its arms together and jet along the seafloor to look like a lionfish with its venomous spiny fins. It can float to the surface, trailing its arms behind it to impersonate a jellyfish. It's even been seen mimicking sea anemones, crabs, and mantis shrimp. So, how does it do it? The mimic octopus has an incredibly complex nervous system and specialized skin cells called chromatophores. These cells can expand or contract in an instant, allowing the octopus to change its color, pattern, and even skin texture. Combine that with a boneless body that can be contorted into almost any shape, and you have the perfect toolkit for a master of disguise. What's truly remarkable is its intelligence. The mimic octopus doesn't just randomly pick a disguise, it seems to choose the best impersonation for the situation. If it's being harassed by a certain type of fish, it will transform into a predator of that fish. This suggests a sophisticated understanding of its environment and the creatures that live in it. It's not just mimicry, it's strategic, intelligent deception. So, while parrots can repeat our words, the mimic octopus rewrites its entire physical identity to survive. It's a living, breathing special effect, a true shapeshifter of the natural world. The next time you think about imitation, forget the birds. The real master is lurking on the ocean floor, ready for its next performance. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. If you were as amazed by the mimic octopus as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible stories from the animal kingdom. See you next time.